Saturday the 14th, December 24. You're looking at some seals here. That seal is for the 2.5 ton CCKW with banjo axles. Radiator cap, I have 4 of them. I have 4 front axle shaft seal. These seals go inside the axle tube and prevent the gear oil from sloshing into the drum when you make a hard left or right turn. It's hard to imagine without knowing, but that's what that is. So I got all of these NOS parts. Mostly they're from the early 50s, but they are new. And one of them that's interesting is this one, and it may be hard to read. So, transfer case sliding gear, stock number G85. G85 was the overall master book, master parts book for the Chevrolet 1.5 ton truck. So if this is what I think it is, I may have some success with the transfer case that I bought a couple of summers ago from an acquaintance. So let's open this up. I don't mind so much about ruining the box. Because I'm going to use... maybe I don't have to ruin the box. The thing about that Cosmoline, when it gets warm, it'll stick to another part of the box. Dang. There we go. Alright. So it's out of the box. Give me just a moment, I'm closing up the box it came in. I still haven't fully straightened out the mess here, and I'm looking for a razor knife. I'll be right back. Okay, razor knife found. Now I'm going to proceed to fillet my fingers. Very interesting. This looks like the gear that was welded in the transfer case. I made a video of that several months ago. Let's check it out. Be right back. Alright. There's a transfer case. And I have a 9/16. No, I have a 1/2 inch. Just a moment. Alright, now have a 9/16 inch socket. Okay, that is absolutely way faster than doing it by hand. Pull the cover off, and thank goodness it's pretty dry in there. Let me go get the gear, I'll be right back. Okay, I was able to make the gear in the transfer case slide a little bit more to the left, and it looks like that's the same gear. So I call that a win. An unwished for win. Wow, I can't believe that. The slot over on the left looks like it's a little narrower, but it's full of cosmoline. So, got to soak that in gasoline and get the wax off it and pull this top shaft apart, which isn't difficult, and clean up this large gear while it's out with the flapper wheel. Pull this out, install the new one, clean up the welded one, and as the Brits say, Bob's your uncle. Okay, that's going to wrap this little video. For all you World War II aficionados, you can't believe the aroma that's coming out of this transfer case. Oh my God, that gear oil that's in the bottom smells so wonderful. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Later.